The Diploma in Digital and Precision Engineering zooms you into the finer details of engineering that makes innovation in game design, aircraft engineering, and racing technologies possible. The specialized training you receive will be key to research and development, prototype making, and manufacturing. The course will enable you to discover and realize your potential through many fun learning opportunities, solve real-world challenges in competitions, accelerate your career with local or overseas internship programs, discover new technologies with your final project. The opportunities are endless. On graduation, you can pursue a career in many sectors where skilled engineers are in high demand. Alternatively, you can pursue your further studies at many reputable local or overseas universities. The skills and knowledge acquired will allow you to enter the high-value precision engineering industry. If you want to learn and apply precision engineering in each stage of a product's development, the Diploma in Digital and Precision Engineering is for you.
So what are you waiting for? Come join us at NYP School of Engineering,
where we
think innovation, create possibilities.